Ever wondered why certain names, logos, or colors instantly make you think of a company? That's brand identity at work. The question is, how did we get here, and why does it matter so much in today's business landscape? Once upon a time, in the age of Industrial Revolution, products were often indistinguishable. It was the era of commodities. Sugar was just sugar, and flour was just flour. But as the number of manufacturers grew, the need to differentiate one's products from another's became paramount. This was the birth of branding. Fast forward to the late 19th century. Brands like Coca-Cola and Quaker Oats began to emerge, using distinctive logos and trademarks to distinguish themselves from competitors. The concept of branding evolved from a simple mark of origin to a symbol of quality and trust. The mid-20th century saw the rise of television and mass advertising. Branding became less about the product and more about the lifestyle it promised. Think of Marlboro's Rugged Cowboy or Apple's Think Different campaign. The brand was no longer just a logo or a tagline, it was an identity, an experience. In the 21st century, the digital revolution changed the game again. The internet has given consumers access to a world of information, and with it, the power to shape brands like never before. Today, a brand's identity is not just what it tells the world, but also what the world tells it. It's a two-way conversation, a relationship built on trust and authenticity. Now, why does brand identity matter? It's simple. In a world saturated with choices, a strong brand identity helps a company stand out from the crowd. It creates a connection with customers, fosters loyalty, and ultimately drives business growth. But remember, a brand identity is not a static thing. Like a person, it evolves over time, shaped by experiences and interactions. It's a living, breathing entity that requires constant nurturing and care. In conclusion, brand identity is more than just a logo or a catchy tagline. It's a company's face to the world, a reflection of its values and vision. From the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, the concept of brand identity has evolved dramatically, but its importance has remained constant. It's the key to differentiation, connection, and growth in today's competitive business landscape. So the next time you see a familiar logo or hear a catchy jingle, remember, you're not just seeing a brand. You're seeing an identity, a story, a promise. And that, dear listeners, is the power of brand identity.